Welcome to Algebra Series episode 2. Today we're going to focus on solving two-step algebraic equations. If you missed episode 1, you can click on the link now. Otherwise, let's get right into it. First question here. Whenever you see more than one operation needs to be reversed, you want to follow BEDMAS backwards. So when you're evaluating an expression, you want to do BEDMAS forwards, but when you're isolating for a variable, you actually want to do it backwards. So in this case, you want to start with adding and subtracting. If you don't know what BEDMAS is, click on the link on the screen now. So basically what we want to do is undo the adding of 12 first. So we're going to subtract 12 from both sides. This leaves us with 3x equals 6. Since 12 minus 12 is 0, 18 minus 12 is 6. Next, we want to get rid of the multiplication of 3. To do this, we need to do the opposite operation, which is dividing by 3. In general, whenever I do division, I'm always going to use a fractional symbol just because it's a lot faster and easier to do. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and we're left with x equals 2, since 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, this time we have subtraction and division. Again, using BEDMAS backwards, we have to deal with subtraction and addition before multiplication and division. So we're going to add 6 to both sides. This leaves us with x over 5 equals 2. Since negative 6 plus 6 is 0, and negative 4 plus 6 is 2. Next, we need to get rid of the 5. We're going to multiply both sides by 5. 5's cancel out over here, and we're left with x equals 10, since 2 times 5 is 10. Solutions will be up tomorrow in a short. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for a chance to win a free tutoring session. I'm planning to release videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and shorts on Wednesdays and Fridays.